general relativity, step by step. Last time I defined the dominant energy condition, and this time I'm going to show what we can deduce from the dominant energy condition for a stress energy tensor of this form here, which is the stress energy tensor for a perfect fluid. Okay, so if I've got u, which is a future pointing causal vector, the dominant energy condition says that minus t alpha beta u alpha is also a future pointing causal vector. So in particular, that's v beta equals that. So, well, they've got two conditions. First of all, I need to know that v0 has got to be positive, and also I need to know that v alpha has got to be negative as well. So I'll just look at this condition first. What does v0 equal? Well, let's have a look at what does v0 equal? Well, it equals minus t alpha times 0 u alpha summed over alpha, because I'm substituting beta equals 0 into this equation. Okay, so what's u alpha? Well, u alpha equals u, I'm going to run out of letters, I don't want to use a beta again, let's say gamma g gamma alpha, just plain ordinary tensor notation there, equals, so u0 equals u0 g00 plus u1, I'm just working in two spatial dimensions here, g10. And of course that's equal to 0 because my fundamental tensor is just that, minus u0. So if I ask what v0 is, that's going to be equal to minus t alpha 0 u0 minus t, oh, it's an alpha, alpha 0 0 u0 equals plus t0, which we know to be positive because I'm requiring that v is causal. So I know that that is going to be the case, and because v0 equals that, which equals that, I can deduce that t00 has to be positive. And you remember the form for t I had was rho 0 0 p, and the dominant energy condition says that rho is positive. Well, that's nice. We know that the density is positive. So that's a nice deduction from the dominant energy condition. We know that the 0 component, the time component, has to be positive of the product here, and that tells us that the density is positive. So I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to, next time, in the next screencast, I'm going to look at the other condition, this one here, the other condition for a future pointing causal vector, and we'll see what we can deduce from that. Okay, but this condition here has shown us that rho, the top left component, has to be positive, which is quite a nice thing to have shown. Stop there, stop.